Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you my golden point part of Project Zero of CS61B, which I added elastic collisions between planets. I noticed that most of the data provided did not satisfy the condition for collision very well because they're just surrounding some planets, they just um, didn't collide with each other. So the most apparent example would be the spiral.txt. So I will use this example to show you the collision feature of my program. Um, what I did was adding a for loop inside the NBody extreme class so that I can achieve the goal of collisions between many planets and they can achieve the 2D angles collision instead of just two planets collision or 1D direction. Um, Here I set the distance to be some number, and when the distance between two planets is less than this number, they will collide each other. I have tested many numbers for the distance, and I noticed that it would be unrealistic for them to collide if they are too far away from each other or too close from each other. So finally, I found a number that could illustrate the simulation very well, and the number is really, really big. When they collide, their velocities will change according to the physics formula. Here, I use the formula of post-collision, which is a physics formula, so that v1 prime, for example, equals to v1 times m1 minus m2 plus 2m2v2 divided by their sum of masses. And the same idea applies to the other planets. Also, you can see that their updated velocities are showing in their terminal. For example, the planet 0 is colliding with planet 14 and their velocities are kept changing. And also there are so many collisions, and above the 13th is colliding with the 16th. And for example, the second is colliding with the 6th, and the third is colliding with the 7th, and they're all showing in the terminal. And also the previous features still apply here, such as the gravitational force. They are still applying forces on each other, and other methods that I have implemented before in the NBody classes and in the body class are also valid here. So this is just an added feature instead of changing the previous program. And that's all. That's my simulation. Thanks for watching. And this is a really fun project I did.